Today I want to showcase the difference of what other stores do compared to what we at Cell Doctor do when you have broken glass. For instance, something like this here, where you just want the glass repaired only. Now, what I have in front of me is a customer's phone that somebody did his back glass for him, and he ruined his power button. He could not turn off his phone anymore. So what I'm doing for him, and I'm charging him probably more than what he paid to get his back glass done, and this is the result. I mean, besides them ruining his power button, you can see it's sticking out. I can put my fingernail, look, right on it. The glass that goes around the camera bezel is missing. It's supposed to have that piece of glass right there, the bezel. And I mean, that's what you have. I mean, he broke the phone from the inside, and he's ended up spending more than what he paid to fix the back, probably. Now, the difference between me and these stores that do back glass only, I mean, even if I did back glass, I would not hand the phone back to a customer like this. I do housing only. Why do I do housing only? Why does it cost more? First of all, it is safer for the phone. When you do laser, or you're applying immense amount of heat to your phone, you could do a lot of damage to your phone, even minimal damage, like this power cable here. I mean, it ended up costing him another $100. I mean, they could do more. They could damage your motherboard. I mean, your motherboard it's fragile. It's a sandwich motherboard. So any kind of flex or any kind of extra heat underneath all these labels and covers here is chips that can burn out. And any wrong move, you could actually burn one of them out easily, quite easily. So, which is why here at Cell Doctor we recommend and only do housing swaps. Yeah, they cost more, but you're getting your phone back working.